Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your girl Black Cherry here. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm going to be revealing my wigs! My new wigs. So, I just got 3 new wigs from Samsbeauty. I bought them when they were having their 3-day sale. Girl! Let me tell you a secret. They were under $25. Got all 3 wigs, all under $25. Yes, you heard me right. All under $25. So, there was no wig that was more than $25. Okay? It's April, we're on a budget. Spring break is coming up. Weather's gonna be getting nice, hopefully, because it's been playing games. Mother Nature, what's poppin'? What's up? I want to speak to you face to face. Thanks. I got these 3 wigs, and I'm in love with them. Samsbeauty has never let me down yet. Their shipping is always fast, always easy, always great. Shout out to Samsbeauty. I love y'all. But before we get into this video, I want to show y'all a new product that I bought at a discounted price. I will be doing a giveaway soon, and this just might be in the giveaway. Ooh, just might be in the giveaway. Ooh. Tune into my next video so that you're aware of when and how you can win this giveaway. So I got this travel case, lemon travel case cosmetic bag, or you can call it a toiletry bag, whichever one works for you. This cosmetic bag, it has lemons on it, and lemons is in, okay? Just to let you know, lemons are in. So it has this nice, cute little handle. It's very small. Not like super, super, super duper small, but small enough for you to carry a few essential items when you're going on vacation. So it does come with a zip right here at the top. And it has 4 beautiful compartments. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So listen, if you're going on vacation and you want to save your money, tune into my giveaway, okay? That's what I'm saying. This beautiful toiletry makeup travel bag I will be giving away in my next video. It also came with this service card, and on the back of it, it has coupons, and it tells you thank you so much for your purchase, and you know, email, contact us, a little cute stuff. So it's cute. I'm gonna put this in the bag with y'all. If you do want to purchase this travel bag, I will leave the link down below in the description box so you guys can purchase it. If you don't win the giveaway, because you know, one person will win the giveaway. That's how it works. Just a disclaimer, but I will put it down in the description box if you do want to purchase the travel bag. It's very inexpensive and it's very affordable. So I'm going to start with the Outre wig first. And I got this wig in the style Amara. And you know, it comes with everything all intact. Comes in the nice little box, which I just ripped it out of. And let's take it out of the package. Try it on. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And this wig, I got it in the color. So I got it in the color 2T/425. This is safe up to 400 degrees. It has a jagged edge cut. And this is a lace front wig with a 6-inch Swiss lace deep parting in the style Amara. And I'm going to show you the card. Wig right here. And it is curly and it is long. This is wig number 1. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling the vibes. Okay? I'm feeling the vibes. And it comes with your natural 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. And the wig construction is like any other synthetic wig. So, this is really, really nice. This is my first time trying a really, really, like an extra curly wig. I might pluck it just a teensy bit, but I do like it. It looks really nice. and it's really, really full, and it's really lightweight as just at the same time. So it's full and lightweight at the same time, and this is definitely big head friendly because I got a big head. This might be like my summertime fawn wig. Okay, let's get into the next wig. And remember, all these wigs are all under $25. I will put the name and the link in the description box so that if you want to purchase the wigs as well, you can do so. This next wig is the Empress Lace Front Edge Lace Wig from Sensationnel. And it has a natural parting from edge to crown. It's hand tied, deep center part. I got this in the color 2, and the name of this wig, the style of this wig is Tiara. Right. And then on the back of the card, you know, it gives you other colors and also how to carry the wig and how to install the wig. I also have this wig in T1B rose gold, and I'll insert a picture of how that wig looks. I wore it all summer. Last summer, I was a blonde. I decided on getting the same wig style, just in a different color, and this is the color 2. And I love this wig so much. The bounce and the fluff. Oh my god. This is wig number 2. This is Tiara. And Tiara got a little baby hairs going on, okay? She got a little something. This wig right here. That flow. That bounce. I love it. But I'm in love with this wig. Do y'all see? Do you see? Who is that, baby girl? So this is the second wig. I'm definitely going to be showcasing all these wigs on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, Twitter, and also my Facebook page, where I will show you, you know, once I cut off the lace, put a little baby hairs. I might pluck just a teensy bit of this because I got a few flyaways. Like not as much as like other wigs, but this has a little bit of flyaways, and I might use a flat iron just to flatten out the part. But girl, moving on to the next wig, and this was the Sensational Empress Lace Wig in Tiara, in the color number 2. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Okay. Moving on to the next wig. So I did this video, like the first one was the longest one, this one is the medium length, and now we have a short wig. And this is from no other. What is it in there? This wig is the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic Wig in the style Lyna, and I got this wig in the color TT1B Indigo Blue. So this is the picture on the card. So this is how the wig looked. You see how short that is? I'm giving neck this summer. All neck. I have one of their older wigs. I forgot what it's called. And I have it in burgundy. I wore it for my birthday 2 years ago. I'll insert a clip. I'll insert a picture of that wig. But it was short. A little bit longer than this one, because this one is like the most shortest that I've gotten. The shortest I've ever been. And I know exactly where I'm wearing this to. I already have it planned out. It's a date. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but I already have... Ooh, do I know what I'm wearing? I might know what I'm wearing already. I'm envisioning this wig with something beautiful. And this is also a middle part, and it comes with your 2 combs in the front and 1 at the nape. Bobbi Boss Lyna wig, and this is the shortest one. This is the shortest one. I love the color. In love with this color. On a scale of 1 to 10, the red one is... I might have to like cut the lace, style it, and you know, get the zhuzh of it just a little bit. The Tiara, definitely love. Maybe it's because it wasn't my first time trying Sensationnel, the brand, because I do like their wigs. And I already have this in the same style, just a different color. But Bobbi Boss, always coming through. Bomb. Great. Love this wig. Love the color, love the cut, love the texture, the density, everything about this wig. I love it. I love this one and this one. These two, 10 out of 10. The curly one, it's my first time trying the Outre brand of synthetic hair, so I'm not sure. I mean, it's cute, but I gotta cut the lace off and see what it's working with. But these wigs, they're gonna be bomb. They're gonna be cute no matter what. All the links will be down below in the description box for each wig where you can get them. And I'll also put the price of how much they were, because remember, all these wigs are under $25 because, sis, we're staying on a budget for spring break. We're staying on a budget. You want to go to Cancun, you want to go to Puerto Rico, you want to go to Miami, we need to be on a budget. Comment down below which wigs were your ultimate favorite. And also hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. Y'all my homies for life. Thank you so much for supporting your baby girl's channel.